we see campaign here. Muhammad bin Tughlaq has planned a military campaign. Actually, he wanted to strongly plan something for the military, so that he can they protect their dynasty from the enemies. For this planning, to fulfill this kind of planning, or strong planning, he need to spend money. Okay, so he had spended heavily for this arrangement, whatever the things they needed, weapons and other things they needed to arrange or to fulfill this planning. So that is also he had spent a lot in for their arrangement. And also one example is here that's given in Tibet. He's the campaign he whatever the campaign he planned, it is very planned very badly. Okay, so it was not successful. For that he has lost there lost many people has lost their life. So here we can see the ill planned campaign also the cause of, or the downfall of the becoming the downfall of the Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, later on we will see the reason of the downfall. Okay, now after that we'll come to the taxation. Here we see the army previous part we have seen, no, for the campaign he has spent a lot. And to shifting this capital also he had spent a lot. So for that, to meet this kind of expenses of for the army, he has increased the tax. Okay, so in increase the tax in the Ganga Yamuna Doab. So which was what happened, that nearby this Ganga Yamuna Doab, he had increased the taxes. So farmers was started facing the problem. Okay, so this was in between them started crust happened, and small war also happened. And the large area were totally gone under west. Okay, so and this was also we can say the downfall of the Tughlaq dynasty, the reason of downfall of Tughlaq dynasty. Okay, sometimes we have seen that the when they have charged more tax from the farmers. So they, whatever the fruit crops they are supplying for the 6 months, they used to provide this supplies this food for 6 months, and in cheap rate. Okay, so what happened, this peasants had to be given loans also to restore the cultivations, means whatever they cultivate from the peasants, they used to take the loan also to keep the, because they have to pay a tax also. So if they won't grow crops or whatever the food grains properly, so they will not able to earn money, and they will not able to give the tax also. So that time they used to take the money as loan. Okay, so this is also created problem when Muhammad bin Tughlaq has changes the tax amount. So it is also created problem in between the farmers. Okay, now the token currency. Here we see Muhammad bin Tughlaq also try to change the money what they are using there. He started following the that paper currency introduced by the China. He was started using that in the place in the trading. And also he introduced the bronze token coins in the place of silver, means the silver coins whatever they used that will be the same value like bronze coins. Okay, so it also will count as a loss, because silver coins it's more costly than and bronze coins. So if it is same like silver coins, means it they will go under loss. And here we see sometimes the coins will be the false one they used to use in the trading. So that is also one reason that economic systems gone down. And also foreigners didn't come for the, means this foreigner traders or merchants don't wanted to come for business or trade here in India, because they don't want to keep connection with Tughlaqs in the place of trading, because that was they are suffering from currency problem. So what happened here, Mohammed bin Tughlaq has withdrawn the token currency. Okay, and what happened? He has given started gold coin exchange for the exchanging of that false coin of bronze coins. Okay, so that is heavy loss for them, Tughlaq dynasties. Heavy loss of economic system or financial system in Tughlaq dynasty. So in shortly we can say Muhammad bin Tughlaq has tried to change all the policies to improve his dynasty, but it is unfortunately he is unsuccessful, and it has shown that a downfall of his prestige. Okay, it was going down. Whatever the changes he is wanted to do, that experience make put down his prestige. So this was the downfall of the Tughlaq Empire, or the Tughlaq dynasty. So here we see Muhammad bin Tughlaq was unsuccessful experiment lowered his prestige. Okay, so his the revolt broke out into many parts of his empire, and provinces began to break away. Means what happened, the states becoming they were becoming separate, they are breaking down, and in between them they started small wars or started. And Muhammad bin Tughlaq, at last he died in the year of 1351 or 1351 AD.